All right, for Explorer, we're going to walk through how to write a short persuasive post using Gemini. Open up your browser and go to gemini.google.com/app. If you're not already logged in, use your Google account to sign in. Once you're in, you'll see a simple chat window that says, "How can I help you today?" This is where we'll begin crafting our prompt. We're going to be using the RCTF again here, the role, context, task, and format. I'm going to read you the example, and then if you want to follow along, you can paste it into Gemini so you can see what it generates. So the example here, you are a persuasive writing coach who helps people speak confidently about their habits and goals. I want to write a 200-word LinkedIn post inviting people to join me in committing to a 30-day stretch routine. Make the tone friendly, motivating, and personal, and end with a clear call to action. Return the post in a paragraph form. Once that's ready, click Enter and let Gemini generate the first draft. All right, here's an example of the draft from Gemini.
Join me for 30 days of meditation. Hey everyone, I'm excited to share a personal goal that I think many of you might find value in too. For the next 30 days, I'm committing to a daily meditation practice, and I'd love for you to join me. Lately, I've really been feeling the need to cultivate more inner peace and focus, and I believe a consistent meditation routine can be incredibly powerful for achieving that. It's not about becoming a guru overnight, but about carving out a few minutes each day to recenter ourselves, reduce stress, and boost our overall well-being. I'm looking forward to experiencing the benefits alongside you, perhaps better clarity, improved mood, and a calmer start to each day. If you've been curious about meditation, or are looking for an accountability partner to reignite your practice, now's the perfect time. Let's support each other on this journey to a more mindful and balanced life. Will you commit to 30 days of meditation with me? Let me know in the comments below, or send me a DM if you're in.
Ask yourself, is this post strong? Does it feel personal? Does it build momentum and give the reader a reason to keep going? If the voice sounds generic or the call to action feels flat, we can fix that. We don't need to settle for the first version. All right, let's tell Gemini exactly how to revise. So in the follow-up prompt, I'm going to type in, can you make the opening sentence more personal, cut down on repetition, and finish with a specific 3-step challenge readers can copy? Notice how it's not vague. I'm giving clear directions here. This is key to getting a better result from AI. After a moment, Gemini will return a cleaner, more specific version, and this time, it ends with a short list readers can actually use. All right, so here's the final version.
Join me for 30 days of meditation. Hey everyone, I've been feeling a strong pull lately to cultivate more inner peace and focus, and I believe a consistent meditation routine is key. That's why I'm committing to a 30-day meditation practice, and I'd love for you to join me. It's not about becoming a guru, but about carving out a few minutes daily to recenter ourselves, reduce stress, and boost overall well-being. I'm genuinely looking forward to experiencing the benefits alongside you, perhaps better clarity, improved mood, and a calmer start to each day. If you've been curious about meditation or want an accountability partner, now's the perfect time. Let's support each other on this journey to a more mindful and balanced life. Ready to commit? Here's a simple 3-step challenge you can copy. Set your daily time. Choose a consistent time each day, even if it's just 5 to 10 minutes. Find your space. Designate a quiet spot where you won't be disturbed. Start simple. Use a guided meditation app, like Calm or Headspace, or simply focus on your breath.
I think it turned out all right. You're going to be following something like this for your apply section to share on LinkedIn. Your goal is not perfection here, it's clarity, voice, and motivation. The more you revise and personalize, the more powerful your writing becomes.